workshop. Well, on the Not Just Sawdust channel you can't call this a workshop yet, but it's gonna be in the future. I don't know how long it's gonna take to restore, repair this old shed, but we made a start, so let's see how that goes. It's not always plannable, all the things you want to do, because of the weather is getting colder now. We had a problem that we had to leave the back door open so the dogs can go in and out. And well, the solution is of course a dog flap. So let's see if we can get this done so we can keep the door closed, and whether these dogs are actually are willing to learn how to use that flap. For the rest, it's just a matter of trying to go on with the restoration of the shed. It's now time to do some walls, and we've bought some capafina for that, which is some kind of a chalk-based cement, and I bought some ready fast cement to do some things on the floor, but for the rest it's only a matter of painting, and that will be the biggest part to do. But for now, yeah, up to making a door flap for the dogs. And yes, you see me unloading another car than you are used to on this channel. We made a decision to sell the van and buy another car. So this is just a little Renault Clio. It's a two-seater with a special rack in it so the dogs can go in the back. You could say it's a car for grown-ups, for adults. It's a purchase made with the mind, not with the heart. But it's really cheap to run. It's cheap in taxes and insurance. And it's very luxurious to our standards. So everything is digital and all that kind of stuff. Now it's already like 14 years old, but you don't see it. It looks brand new on the outside and the inside. So the former owners were really good for the car, really maintained it well. And yeah, it was a decision we had to make at some point. So, and it's easy to get your stuff from the DIY store and things like that. Yeah, so that's the reason why you see me unloading a black Renault Clio. Well, that was the first time I used capafina, a kind of chalk, cement or whatever, and it worked out fine. So I'm gonna fill all the gaps. I've taken everything off that was loose, and after that make some adjustments to some of the slats of the repas that are there, and I've ordered a spray gun that can which is usable for latex and all these other kinds of paints, wall paints, because I just want to spray paint everything in one go. So yeah, it's all about filling these gaps now. That's what I'm gonna do the coming days, and from there we'll see. We'll gotta build some storage here, so that's it for now. I used to say, do some woodworking, it's a nice way to spend your time, do some recycling, it's an even better way to spend your time, and I still, believe that. So see you all in the next video. At the